Tugende asensemo ya Isoge ime ya Borabu county ya Nyamira asabamenyi benseme banyorekeri bakogokera yemagega yokwagachirwa library gwitira asobokonyi bwa amateyemo ya Mayenga na ababwatani bande gwitira sumtandao bwekerero orogotyorwa asenjira yobikirano
mageni oni gakira iga gwitira ase ukomanyana ne family yo mugako uri kwa Mayenga asoko inyora abangi n'abamama eskimi yito ya Isoge bali batorete ta batukineti bagatwira kisukuru na into bono twabeira abantu twakorire mirimo abandi twaritaire na abandi mbagenderete na ndo totebiri Borabu gento baganeti andonsi esibaruri kibesa ikitumeka senkerere ngia na ende esenkera etabwati bakora bonde bwensi
to the community, especially abantu bamintogaiga, to access internet. It is difficult at our home, and most of the things are done like now. The new curriculum we have, which is CPC. So we are going to install computers. We are going to put the internet so that abana baito bareka banyali bagalio access the internet facility to access internet for other researches that they may need to do. Secondly, we will also look for books. Because we donated, like now we are document which donated books community so that the community can be enlightened, community to LSM, to one level of the community in the world.
And we're very glad to be here because I love the way the community has come together and saw a problem and decided to fix it. And we're very, very glad to be able to continue to support